not be the case. We're going to explore 10 areas. We're going to take a philosophical approach. From a philosophical perspective, we're going to explore
some level. Now, when we get into areas like animism, right, which sort of implements a spirit and a soul, perseverance is required to be 7 feet tall. This perseverance is required to stay safe.
You gotta drink milk.
Neuro-linguistic programming and also cognitive behavioral therapy, which is a whole different area. So, optimization or search engine marketing, or you're dealing with a linguistic expert who could sort of put these things in perspective. Because you're dealing with multidisciplinary interviews. There's like existence precedes essence. The whole idea.
Are there any sort of coordinates between frequency and action?
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
We can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.